This can't be real. Millionaires making millions of dollars and legally paying $0 in taxes. You're sweating over your paycheck while they're chilling in their private jets, tax-free. Here's the weird trick they use that most people don't even know exists. It's called the buy, borrow, die strategy. Here's how it works. Instead of earning income like you, they buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. These go up in value, but they don't sell them because that would trigger taxes. Instead, they borrow money using those assets as collateral. No sale equals no tax. Loans equals tax-free cash. Boom, millions in hand, legally untaxed. But wait, what happens when they die? Here's the wild part. The assets are passed to their heirs, and the tax basis gets reset. So their kids can sell the assets and still pay little to no taxes. It's legal. It's loophole gold. And it's exactly how billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos keep their tax bills at zero. You've been told the system is fair, but this one strategy flips the game. If you learned something new, hit subscribe, because the more you know, the less you get played.